Get ready to be amazed because this might just most satisfying is officially taking over the internet. Is this the ultimate find of the year? If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that. It looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it cuts down your daily stress significantly. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. The side piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity today without any delay.